Here at Push Excel, we recognize that our high school students are in need of academic support and scholarship excellence in preparation for college and career services for their next season. We are here to support you and your families in those endeavors. So next week, November 20th, from 4 to 6, join us as we are partnered with Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated and Chicago Public Schools Office of Career and College Planning Services for a scholarship workshop. This is going to be an excellent resource of information that you and your families do not want to miss in preparation for college. Get ready for our December 12th HBCU Tour. We will not only go to Spelman and Howard University, but we are in partnership with Jack and Jill, our Metropolitan Family Services, as well as the Links. Push Excel is continuing to make partnerships in the community to strive for excellence with you and your families. Students, we are here to support you. So continue to stay tuned to www.pushexcel.org because we have many more workshops coming up here towards the end of the year in 2020 and pushing on into 2021.